Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT not loading chats. Here's the quick fix. If your chats don't load, your app is still stuck syncing. Here's the fast fix. First of all, refresh your network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that rules out network issues. Also, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. After that, if you're on Android, catch in the app in your settings. Now if you're on Apple, open General, go to iPhone storage, scroll down, find ChatGPT, and then click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. After that, go ahead and turn on airplane mode, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it back off to rule out temporary glitches. After that, head over to your app store, search for ChatGPT, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Updating your app, make sure you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. Tip: disable VPN. Messages won't sync with VPN, so make sure to disable it, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.